Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to fix Meta AI not showing on WhatsApp. So if you happen to see this sort of issue, then you need to follow the steps. Now, first of all, to resolve the issue of Meta AI not appearing on your WhatsApp, you have to ensure you have the app installed to your device, the latest version of the app installed. So to check that out, you want to make sure to open up your App Store. And on the search bar, you simply want to type in WhatsApp. If you find it updated, then you want to make sure to update it, and that should be able to solve. Despite updating the application to the latest version, if the issue still persists on, you might consider uninstalling or maybe clearing your cache. So click the I button or long press the app and go to the app info section. Then here you want to come to storage and cache. Make sure to clear cache. Now clearing your storage, going to delete the data. Only if you're sure about it, follow on, or else just leave it as it is. Now then, the next thing, what you could also do is, if the problem persists on, you could try contacting WhatsApp support. So for that, open up your WhatsApp application, tap the three dot icon, go to settings, and then scroll down, and there you have the help section. Click on help center once again and report the issue to the customer care. They will be able to look into your matter. So these are a couple things you could try. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.